Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I'm excited to show you the best car diagnostic tools. If you're a car enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or just someone who wants to save money on maintenance, this tool is for you. Stay tuned as we dive into its features, pros, and cons. Let's get started. Product features. Lifetime free all cars full system diagnostics. The ThinkTool Mini offers lifetime free diagnostics for all car systems, providing comprehensive insights into your vehicle's electronic control systems. It performs functional tests, retrieves trouble codes, and displays live data for key systems like a BSSRS engine, transmission, brakes, emissions, fuel, lights, and wipers, ensuring precise and efficient vehicle maintenance. Free full OBD2 functions. The ThinkTool Mini offers advanced OBD2 capabilities for efficient vehicle diagnostics. It reads current, pending, and permanent codes swiftly, clears fault codes, and turns off the check engine light. With graphical live data, it simplifies analysis, checks I/M readiness for emissions, performs O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, and retrieves complete vehicle details, including VINC, IN, and CVN. 4-in-1 scientific data management. The ThinkTool Mini elevates diagnostics with 4-in-1 scientific data management, offering live data streaming with graphs, data recording, and playback. It enables real-time storage of fault codes, frozen frames, and data streams for thorough analysis. With one-click diagnosis report generation, it simplifies troubleshooting, saving time and money by preventing unnecessary repairs and ensuring efficient vehicle maintenance. Plus, Comprehensive Diagnostics covers all essential vehicle systems, making it a versatile tool for professionals and DIY users. Lifetime free updates. No hidden fees for software updates or diagnostics, ensuring long-term usability. User-friendly interface. Intuitive controls and clear data visualization for ease of use. Portable design. Compact and lightweight, perfect for carrying to job sites or storing in your car. Time-saving features. Diagnosis playback and one-click reports streamline the repair process. Cons. Initial learning curve. The extensive features may be overwhelming for first-time users. Compatibility issues. May not work with older car models or less common vehicle systems. No wireless connectivity. Requires a physical connection to the car, which can limit convenience. And that's a wrap on the ThinkTool Mini Car Diagnostic Tool. If you're looking for a powerful, feature-packed scanner to handle everything from basic OBD2 functions to full system diagnostics, this is a top contender. Check the price link in the description below and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.